Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss Lia, as the lecturer in charge of this course, and everyone. We are group 13, consisting of myself, Lisa Listiani, as the moderator, and Triana as the first presenter, and Hasbi as the second presenter. Today, we would like to present our mini research plan and entitled Implementation of Project-Based Learning or PGBL through English Design Brief for Vocational Students of Visual Communication Design or VCD at SMK Wikrama 1 Garut. To save time, I will explain the first material in this slide background. This slide explains that VCD students still experience difficult in mastering technical English, such as understanding design software and international client instruction. Yet English is an essential work tool in the creative industry. Therefore, the solution offered is to integrate English into the design process through the project-based learning method. And the research question, to what extent can use of English language design briefs improve student mastery of technical vocabulary, and how does to the project-based learning approach impact student confidence and ability in design pitching. Okay, for the next material will be explained by Triana and Hasbi. Thank you to all the presenters. Now I will read the conclusion. The conclusion and expected outcomes. Students will be better prepared for the global job market. For example, freelance platforms and English learning becomes more engaging as it aligns with the student core passion and skill design. Okay, that's all from our group. Sorry to any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So thanks to Teh Lisa. So in this slide I will explain about. On this slide we look at the three pillars supporting our research. First, we have ESP or English for specific purpose. This means we aren't just teaching general English, we are focusing strictly on the vocabulary and communication skill needed in the design industry. Next in is CLEL. Instead of having separate English class, we integrate the language directly into the design lesson. Students learn English through the lens of graphic design. Finally, we use project-based learning (PGBL). This is a learning by doing approach where students tackle real-world design briefs. They aren't just memorizing grammar. They are using English to solve actual design problems. Okay, next slide. So the next slide is about research methodology. Moving on to our methodology, we use classroom action research or CRR. Essentially, this is a cycle of planning, action, observing, and reflecting to improve the teaching process in real time. Our subjects are 11 grade visual communication design student. To gather our data, we use three main instruments: interview with teacher and student to get their personal specific, questionnaires to conduct to needs analysis, finding out exactly what English skill they need most, and last, practical test where we measure how they can understand and execute a design brief reading in English. Okay, next slide. And my last slide is facilitate and learning environment. The tools and atmosphere to support this integrated learning. The environment is crucial. Our creative lab isn't just a computer room. It's a professional grade studio where all software interfaces are set to English. This forces students to become comfortable with technical terms every day. We also encourage the use of digital resources. We want students looking at international problems like Behance or YouTube tutorials in English to broaden their inspiration. Lastly, we created a visual improvement. Our gallery displays student work with description and labels in English. This turned the classroom into an immersive space where English becomes a natural part of their creative identity.
Okay, I wanna explain about shall explain. And number one, the first phase instruction the software interface for body students. And the second phase, acknowledging design briefs, consider operators and clients. So and the third phase, design production like logo or planning project. So in the last phase, the PG present design philosophy in English. So and software introduction, design brief. So and project logo identify green space, green startup. So the second keyword is minimalist, stable and eartones. So goals, and the last is a goal. Students must translate this English keyword into visual elements. So next slide, we interview instruments. So key discussion points. Second, understanding English terms with the design software. The necessity of communication skill for dealing with foreign clients. So and the last, the effectiveness of current general English material in professional context. Okay, thank you for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.